What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kino Casino, and it's another great day to be great. Listen, we're back to trading. I'm back around my charts. I'm back from vacation, and we're gonna start the series today. First five-figure payout of 2026. That's the series. We named it. We called it. Here today. This is the first of many to come. However long it takes for me to get to my first five figures of 2026, that's how long it's going to take. But we're going to be patient and we're going to work through it. I'm going to show you guys the transparency of everything I do on the charts, every trade that I take, my stats, all that stuff. Full transparency on the back end and the front end. You're watching me taking the trades live. But we're going to get into the video right now. I'm going to break down the charts, show you a little bit of transparency, then we're going to get into it. All right, let's get to the charts. Today is April 8th, 2026. BTW, my birthday is a couple days from now. It's about 14 days from now. Don't worry about it. We'll keep you guys updated on when my birthday is going to come. But don't worry about it. Right now, I'm looking at the charts. We got a couple of areas of interest. We got an area of interest right here from structure. We can see that price dropped down, made some structure. But here, we don't have structure on all the way to the left. This was the last time price had made structure. You can see. Let me just draw it out for y'all real quick. We had the highs, the lows. This is when we started really breaking down. We made a low, new low, started breaking down, new low, new high, new low, new high, new low. So currently price is about right. It's about to hit to this area of interest right here in this corner. And you could see price went crazy yesterday because of fundamentals. Trump saying some stuff on the war in Iran, all that extra stuff. If you don't know, that means you're just not paying attention to the news at all, because it's all over the news, every social media platform. Or maybe I just pay attention to the news a little too much. Who knows? But this is how it's looking like for right now. So let's get to the nitty gritty. Let me get behind the scenes. So I got some new. So this account right here is up $704. Is one of my accounts. There's only $735 in this account. This is a brand new funded account. Yeah, I just paid for it like yesterday. $735 is it in this account as well. And this is also a brand new funded account. So currently right now I have 5 funded accounts, 50K with Top Step. So with these 5 funded Ks with Top Step, my goal is to get to at least $4,000 in cash or in profit on these accounts. Obviously, whether or not I'll get there before I take a payout, that's situational. My goal is to do that though. I want to get $4,000 so I can take $2,000 out of every account. Who knows how long that's going to take? It could take 2 months. I don't really care. I'm going to put myself to the test, be patient, super patient. But for right now, I have about $700 in about like 3 accounts. That's all I have. So I can't go below 700. So my goal is to get those accounts up to about like 1,500. Then I'm going to go back to YM. So right now I'm trading MYM because, as I said, those accounts don't have that much money in them. So when they get back to at least 1,500, then I'll switch back to YM so I can take larger trades. But let's get back to the chart. This John, come on now. If you can close below this zone, is what I want. Are the sellers taking over? We taking over one city at a time. All right, I like that. I like that candle right there. That might be my entry candle right now. Order filled. First trade of the day. Let's see. Risking 116 on this trade. Looking for a 2-to-1. I'm gonna let the gang know. this candle doesn't close nicely, I'm gonna have to be aggressive with the sales, but my stop loss. Come on, close nicely. Yeah.
Order filled.
It's cool. Down $54 for the day. I ain't like that close. Yep, look at that. It's cool. I'll take the first loss of the day. Tragic, but you got to be aggressive with the losses. You got to be aggressive with the stop losses. Look at that. It's going straight through my stop loss right now. I already seen it coming. I ain't playing around with it. That's price setting up again. Let's see. Ooh. Damn. All right. Whoa. Price is dropping hard, huh? Okay. Wow. That's a drop. That is a drop. Let's see how much points that is. 100 points. All right. Well, a little bit more than 100 points.
Order filled.
Okay. Well, I'm in it now. I'm sure I'm risking the bank on this. I'm probably not going to risk that much. I'm going to risk like $40 on this trade. Can't, because this candle hasn't even closed yet. Still open. Oh, there it goes. Come on, man.
Order filled.
I didn't even put the damn thing down yet. All right, y'all. Although it was a mistake, I'm down for the day. Damn, it's probably gonna take off without me, bro. That was a total accident, honestly. I did not mean for it to. Whatever. Just tap me in real quick before you leave. Just tap me in real quick, bro, before you leave.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Got 10 o'clock coming up right now. Next 5 minutes. Not risking a lot on this trade. I didn't even mean to get stopped out, but I got stopped out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done. 3 losses for the day. Gosh, it's supposed to be really 2 losses, but I'm freaking done. So, y'all, today I got spanked, but I took 3 trades, which is undisciplined of me. First trade, I got stopped out. Second trade, I actually didn't get stopped out. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is essentially the second trade. TP would have got hit, but I aggressively moved my stop loss here. But I aggressively moved my stop loss on the second trade, but it was by accident. I didn't mean to get stopped out. I got stopped out. You guys can see it on the live recording. Third trade, I just got stopped out, and now I'm down 127 for the day. I was probably okay with being down $90 for the day. I should have stopped right there, especially seeing that I made a mistake. Probably like I wasn't in the right mindset afterwards. But I still kept going. Lesson learned, stop trading after 2 trades. I learned this lesson many times before. I still make mistakes. I'm still human. I'm only down 127 for the day, which is fine. Let's see how much I'm down for the week. For the week, I'm down $78. Let me flip it around. So for the week, I'm down $78. I was down $50 on Monday, made $100 on Tuesday, down $127 today. officially down $70 for the week. Today's only Wednesday, the first day of the challenge, really the series of the 5-figure payout. We'll see if we can get to it. I really only have like $600 left in these accounts. Well, the ones that were before the brand new ones that I bought. But we'll see. We'll see what we can do. But that's my video, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace.